Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the monthly and daily because today the monthly candle is finished. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you, are you not yet a subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram channel or in Discord server. You can find the link of them or the invitation link of them down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today that the monthly candle here it's finished, which is that one here, as you see it, and you remember that 50 moving average here, the one with yellow here, what else we've been talking about here, and that one is the month which is red after how many months? 4 months also we've been going up, as you see it. But that month, even how it finished now, it's not a bad thing. Even if we zoom it here to see what it gave us here, look at it, it couldn't break here that 50 moving average here. It fell down till down here, but now it's going back up. That's good news here. So now what we have here in the monthly, look with me what I'm going to show you now. You came like that, and down here you came like that. What you got here? A very clear down channel here in the monthly, guys. Very clear down channel. Yes or no? So what should we do now? As you see it, we're touching here the top of that channel here in the monthly. Now we need to wait in the market to give us something new here in the monthly, guys. It's need the market to give us here a candle to break that downtrend as we started from here and here. Because it might, we're going to see the Bitcoin from here falling down to here to touch that 100 moving average, because that 100 moving average, if we make it and we zoom in out like that, it's never been touched. As you see it, it's never ever in the history of crypto it's being touched. Because the only time we break it here. Another thing also now we got here, it's taking off those moving averages. Look with me here what we got. You see it or not? Even if you zoom in out, we got here a up channel here in the monthly, guys. As you see it, you see it or no? That a up channel, we got it here in the monthly. Now what shall we do now? We focused about the down channel here. We got here because there is a trading strategy based on the channels like that. You follow the bigger channel like that one here, that is telling you where is the market going, and when there is a small channel like that, you waited to get broke here for you to enter long. That's what also we need to do here in the monthly. Waiting the break to happen here for us to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. So now what shall you do here in the monthly? Now either that one is going to fall down to touch here, then after that it will go back up, or it will not break that 50 moving average we got here, and it's going to give us next month a green candle. And that's what I'm thinking. Me personally, I'm thinking that June is the month where we're going to see a big jump in the market. Everything is too clear, guys. So now what shall we do here? Nothing. You're just waiting. I show you here that channel here, that one here, or that trend line here, that one. You waited to get broke here, that one here. Focus about it too much, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the coming news for today for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, as you see it, we got a very busy day. As you see it, what we got that one ISM manufacturing, and that one is going to tell us about the US dollar if it's going to fall down or to go up, because depending on the economic. And here the forecasting is showing is going to fall down more. That's a bad news. Another thing we got here, we got that EDP non-farm employment change. That one is going to lead us about the unemployment rate which is coming tomorrow. Plus we got initial jobless claim. How many people they are applying, they are jobless. That one we explained it before. So we don't got something special here. The only one we got here that ISM. That one is very important. You need to be focused about it. And here is our friend, the table of us. As you see it, what it's telling us here. Everything here is red, and I tell it to you in Monday. When Monday candle finished, I tell you that people they been with us, they remember that Monday candle is finished green, and me I told you we're going to see all the week red week, and that's what's happening till now. Look at that, all the week now is red. If you trade in the SP or the Nasdaq, that 2 or 3 days also we are going falling down. The 2 days also we are falling down, not that much, because the SP now it give us like a small pin bar there, but we need to wait more here. The US dollar, look at it, a little bit falling down today, but not that much. Plus here is our friend, is the VIX. It's going up, but it's very slow. That man, also we are near to 18. But the good news here, the VIX, it's still below 20. That means currency it's still very low. That's why me I told you guys, just buy and forget about everything. Just they say. You are in very nice levels, and you will regret in the future why you haven't bought those days. You will regret in the future why you haven't bought those days. For some friends of me, when the Bitcoin that day we fall down, when we touch that 3K, me have been telling them, buy them, they telling me, are you idiot or what? Bitcoin is going to fall down, and look what happened now. If you buy from 3K till today, you're still in profit. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the daily to see what Bitcoin doing today in daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily, guys. You remember we used to be here at that 50 moving average. What me I told you about it. You can find it in the last 2 videos. We fall down till here, till the 100 moving average. You can find all that analysis in the last 2 videos. What me I told you that Bitcoin is going to stay here. It touch here, the 50 moving average. Now it fall down, it touch here. The 100, I think is going to go back up. Till it's going to break either one. Break that 50 moving average up or the 100 moving average down. As you see it, how it's getting here. Now there is a huge and major pump is coming, guys. So you need to be focused where it's going to go. Another thing, very important here. What me I told you, people they been with us, also we buying from here 20%. That was me I told you. And I told you if it fall down here to 100 moving average, that's what me I'm thinking of till now. When it's going to touch it here, buy 50% from your capital. Today, I've been following the people in my Telegram channel and my Discord channel. I give them a signals and all those things. So even you can join us there and benefiting from our free analysis there. Because over there, we put in pictures, we put in more in-depth analysis. If anything new, we put it for them there. So now what we need to do here, let me show you something extra here. What me I told you here, I told you guys we got here that triangle here, we touched the top of it there and we couldn't break it. In the last video we be in here, yes or no? Now look at it, either now we're going to break down here at that level here, we're going to enter short, or we're going to break above here, we're going to go long. That's it. Y'all know the Bitcoin is showing to us, look at it, every time it fall down, but the bulls now every time they're getting smaller and smaller. Look at them, they being here powerful. Now no power to push up more. The only level we're still holding now is that level down here. If we're breaking that level here, the next level you need to be focused about is it down here at that 25k here, or between 23k. Let's make it like that. That one here, that level here, you need to be focused about it, what the market is going to do there. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, I told you guys in the last video, the Bitcoin is given us here a double top. You can find it in the last video. I told you if it's breaking here, the neckline enter short. It's breaking here. Look, tell where it's falling down. When we are here, people with me in my Telegram channel, I give them a signal to buy. Look at everything in front of you. Another thing here, very important. Also, we touching here that top of that channel, yes or no? But another thing very important here. Look with me here. If you came to that one here and that one and you do it like that, and you came to that one and that one and you do it like that, what you got here? You got an up channel. Very clear up channel. You touch the top of it here in that level here, the lower of it now here. Now either from that level also we're going to go back up and we break in the down channel also we got here. Or another scenario, also the market is going to do like that and to break here and it's going to fall down more. What should we do here in the 4 hours? Here in the 4 hours, there is nothing to do till now. Now, you can do like that trend line here and focus about it. If we break it down here, you can enter more short. That for the people, they haven't entered from that double top. For the long, you're still far away from it. That long, you need to do like that. It's need the market to give us here a price action here, another price action, guys. Everything is too clear. let's see our indicator what it's saying here in the 4 hours. Our indicator here in the 4 hours, you remember when we touch here the overbought area, what me I told you? I told you guys, protect yourself. That's what me I told you. And what me I told you? I told you either it's going to fall down to touch here, then from here it's going to go back up. Or another scenario is going to fall down to touch the trend line here. Then from here is going to go back up. Now where we are, he entered here to the bear market, but there is no power to push it more. Now either from here we're going to go back up. I'll show you how to enter long. And when we go into smaller time frames, I'm going to show you a very clear signal there. But now here, at our indicator here, there is nothing new, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, you remember when us we touch in here the overbought area. And I told you we got here a very, very stronger pivot. You can find all that in the last videos. I told you we got here a weekly pivot here. Yes or no? And it gave us the market here a double top and it's breaking the neckline, will W enter short. Now at that level here, what you got here? Look with me. You got that channel here. You remember that channel us we been talking about it thousands of times. Yes or no? And now we got here another channel. It's the same like the weekly. Yes or no? We got another channel here like that. The bigger channel, what is telling you? Bigger channel is telling you us we are falling down. Look at it. Smaller channel, what is telling you? It's telling you us we are going up. Now which one you should follow? The bigger channel. Bigger channel, what is telling you? Us we falling down. So what shall we do? We're waiting. If we're breaking down here, we will enter short, take profit of us. It needs to be down here in the lower of that channel. That's a scenario. Yes or no? For the long, what shall we do? That for the short. For the long, what shall we do? If the Bitcoin came up breaking the top of that channel here, enter long, guys. If we break in here, the top of that channel, enter long. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in my Telegram channel, people they follow me, they remember that. I give them a signal here. That one here. Exactly that one here. Like that, I give it to them. And I told them if we break in here, we will need to enter long. The previous candle, it hasn't broken. That one here, which is going now, it's breaking. It's left for it 9 minutes. If you see that video in the coming hours, because the video is going to take me about 1 hour or something to make it all live. If you see that video and that candle is being like that, breaking up like that, enter long, guys. Take profit of you where it needs to be. Take profit of you, it needs to be here. Exactly here. At that level here. You see it or no? At that one here, take profit. Why? I'm going to tell you why. Because that level here, it's very, very, very stronger level. And why me I told you to enter long? People they are in my channel, they remember that. I tell them to enter long because that one here is it here at the oversold area level. Also we are in a very, very stronger level. Second thing, that one is very, very important. Let me show it to you, which is that one. I told you also we got here a very, very clear divergence here. Yes or no? And now even the price action we used to have here is that triangle is getting broke till now. Till now it's left for the candle 7 minutes. If it crawls like that, enter long, stop loss, you can put it down here at that level here or here, depending on your money management, how much capital you're risking per trade. And look at it here. It came out from the bear control to the bull control. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.